Hello, students. I am going to talk about a character sketch of Desdemona from Othello by William Shakespeare, the greatest dramatist of England. Othello came out in 1603 and this play was staged in 1604. Desdemona is the central character of Othello by William Shakespeare, the greatest English dramatist. She is the central character of the play. She is the heroine of the play. She is tall, beautiful, smart, with long hair. She is a beautiful heroine of William Shakespeare. She possesses many characteristics and features and traits in her character. Really, Desdemona is a dream girl. All the men love and like her. They want to marry her. Desdemona likes and loves adventurous tales, deeds and actions. She is a romantic heroine, like all other heroines of Shakespeare. She is as beautiful as Rosalind and Celia of As You Like It. She is as lovely and beautiful as Miranda of The Tempest. Now let me talk about some of her important traits and features. Desdemona is the heroine of Othello by Shakespeare. She is tall, beautiful and attractive. She likes to hear adventurous tales, deeds and actions. It is why she is attracted towards Othello, a Moor and general of Venice. On a deadly night, Desdemona elopes with Othello against the will and wish of Brabantio, her father. Her father is a respectable man of Venice. He is a senator. Now, Desdemona not only runs away with Othello, she marries him secretly. This makes Brabantio very furious. He files a case in the court of the Duke against Othello. All the persons appear in the court on the summons of the Duke of Venice. In the court, Desdemona defends Othello against her father. Her father loses the case and Desdemona says in the court that she will go with Othello. The Duke decides the case in favor of Othello, keeping in view the evidences, statements of Desdemona, and the situation of the country those days. The country was going to war against Turkey. So, the presence of Othello was a must for the land. Desdemona is a very kind, compassionate, and helpful lady. She helps Cassio when he is dismissed from the post of lieutenant on the recommendation of Iago, the villain of the play. She requests Othello to reappoint Cassio as the lieutenant of his army. Desdemona is so simple that she does not understand the mischievous plans and conspiracies of Iago. Desdemona is a beautiful, beloved, and wife of Othello. She loves him very much, but she falls prey to the mischievous plans and conspiracy of Iago. He convinces Othello with evidence, fake evidence, that Desdemona loves Cassio. He tells his wife Emilia to steal away the handkerchief of Desdemona. Emilia, the wife of Iago, steals away the handkerchief of Desdemona secretly, and she gives this handkerchief to Iago. Iago gives this handkerchief to Cassio. Then Iago convinces Othello that Desdemona has fallen in love with Cassio. He sees the evidence and he becomes very furious. One day, he is so furious that he goes to the bedchamber of Desdemona and puts pillow upon her mouth, and he strangulates her mercilessly. Later, he comes to know that Desdemona was innocent and she was not in love with Cassio. Realizing this thing, he kills himself, and thus the heroine Desdemona, the hero Othello died. At last, Iago is also arrested and executed. Thus, Desdemona is a beautiful heroine. She is as adventurous as Rosalind, as daring as Miranda. Thank you very much.